Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider. There are tons of options when it comes to headphones, but few are as distinct as the Canfield on-ear headphones from Shinola. Shinola is a proudly American company based out of Detroit. They've worked really hard on bringing a lot of their manufacturing processes back here to the US. They use a lot of US-born materials anywhere that they can, and while some of the electronics are still produced overseas, the manufacturing, the actual assembly of these headphones are still done right here in the US. Shinola isn't known for their headphones. In fact, they're mostly known for their kind of lifestyle products, mostly watches and fashion stuff. But when they launched the headphones, they had a tall order to live up to, especially with their high price tag. But as soon as you get your hands on these headphones, you notice the quality and craftsmanship that has really gone into them. Whether you're looking at the over-ear or on-ear headphones, they come in 3 different color schemes: silver metal with black leather, silver metal and cognac leather, or what I happen to have, which is the all glossy black version. Inside the box, you're going to find the usual stuff that you find with high-end headphones: a carrying case, the headphones, and a few extra little minor accessories. The actual carrying case is pretty solid. It's a little bit on the large size, but it does have a really nice feel to it, almost like canvas rather than some of the neoprene or cheaper ones that we see with other even high-end headphones. Super minor qualm here, but I would have liked to see something like a pocket or something on this case just to make it easy to carry a few extra add-on items. Aside from the actual normal manual that is included, a certificate of authenticity is included here, including the 2 different quality control processes they go to, both acoustically and the final one. Those are all signed off on and individually numbered with the serial number. It's just kind of a nice touch to show they're a little bit more personal than a lot of the larger companies. Now, this is a wired set of headphones, no Bluetooth stuff going on here, no noise canceling built in, just a standard, really solid pair of headphones. They've got Shinola Detroit printed on the back of the controller here, which is at the bottom of a Y-shaped cable. All of these little accents here, these are all metal, so that you're not going to find any plastic in this really nice cable, which has a really nice feel to it. It's a nice weighted nylon wrapped cable that's not going to get tangled. Personally, I absolutely despise Y-shaped cables. They just seem annoying to take on and off. They're a lot easier to snag. I would have much preferred if it just went up one side like we see on a lot of other headphones. At least they did include a 1/4-inch adapter for the 3.5mm headphone jack. Allows you to plug into more high-end equipment, stuff like turntables or other audio equipment. We pretty much expect it, so I'm glad that this is in the box because originally they did not come with them. As far as what I wish did come with these headphones, was some sort of lightning adapter or a lightning version of this cable. You know, it even has that MFI logo right there on the front for that inline controller, but if you have an iOS device, you're pretty much stuck with using the adapter that comes with your phone now. They at least could have included their own adapter or a lightning version of the cable. The ear pads are very soft, made of lambskin leather, super comfortable, though they are a bit stiff. They do magnetically remove, which is always nice, and reveals the 40mm driver that is housed below. Not only did we find the actual ear pads a bit stiff, but the headband felt pretty stiff as well. We've been wearing these for a few weeks, really trying to break them in, and even after a few weeks' time, they were still a little bit on the stiff side. It was nice to see some quality leather along the top of the upper headband as well, and as we later found out, it was sourced from the Horween Leather Tannery out of Chicago, which another one of our favorite mobile companies, Nomad, sources their leather for their mobile and Apple Watch accessories. While I think all this padding will wear in over time, I think it just takes a little bit longer than your normal pair of headphones. These are also a little bit more difficult to adjust than I would have liked. They adjust fine when you take them off your head, but it's not easy to adjust them while you're actually wearing them. You pretty much have to remove them to adjust them and then put them back on. While all 3 colors of these headphones look pretty stellar, our favorite was definitely this gloss black. It looks absolutely beautiful, and it looks pretty awesome with the space black iPhone as well. The only downside is, just like the iPhone, it shows fingerprints pretty darn easily. Luckily, Shinola includes a little kind of cleaning rag in here with you, so you don't want to have to be doing that all the time, but it is nice that there is like a polishing cloth included that can just wipe those oils off of the headphones, and they're back good as new. They still look really awesome, and just that gloss black is absolutely beautiful. The looks really are probably one of the best features of these headphones. They're actually made from stainless steel and they have a really solid weight to them. They're gorgeous and glossy black, solid quality leathers and lambskin, just amazing materials. Overall, they just look gorgeous, but they're a little bit muted at the same time. When it comes to the look and build quality of these headphones, there's not a single thing that I would change. However, these are headphones, so we really should be talking about the audio quality, and especially with the price tag, they have some pretty big shoes to fill. After hours and hours of testing with tons of different varieties of music, we had some pretty solid takeaways. Notably, they leaned more towards the warm side. There was a very warm effect that we got from all different genres of music. They were a little bit weak maybe in the mids. I felt I wanted vocals to be a little bit more forward, but even then I was still happy with the amount of bass these headphones were able to provide. On some songs I feel like just the mids and maybe the bass was a little bit weak, but overall these sound absolutely spectacular, great note separation, pretty clear highs, and just an overall warm tint to the music as a whole. Shinola has brought the price down a bit on the Canfield. While they used to be around $500, they are now a more approachable $350, which is definitely a great balance between their extremely solid build quality and their pretty high-end audio. You can pick a pair up for yourself at the link below in the description.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.